Looks like I win again.
Come on, Leafy. We have to play again. I have to win this time.
Oh, I don't know, Fiery. I haven't planned on playing tic-tac-toe 73 times today.
Come on, Leafy, please.
Actually, yeah, let's do it. Oh my gosh, Rocky just threw up. He might be sick. We have to go help him. No.
Hey, wait. Leafy, come back. Leafy, Leafy. Oh no, what happened?
Oh my gosh, what's happening? Hey, I'm weightless. Wow.
Hey, radio. Why are we in space?
Because of budget cuts.
Hey, Ice Cube, look! It's the Big Dipper! This star is for you! Oh no, what happened to the Big Dipper? And why are Rubble and Ice Cube playing catch?
Be quiet. Even though we are in space, everything is still the same. So we will still have cake and steak.
The points are gone. We are free of them now, but we look on to the moment that we see the next slice of cake. A step closer to the prize brought on by cake and steak.
Well, I learned that a normal cake would explode in the vacuum of space. So instead, I got an ice cream cake.
Yum! Wait, how would that make any difference?
Hush. If you get cake, you are safe. Otherwise, you are eliminated. Bubble, Rocky, Fiery, and Leafy had immunity, so they get cake.
I know you love ice cream cake, Bubble, so I'm giving you my cake. Thanks!
Now it's down to David, Spongy, and Ice Cube. 545 people voted this time. 72 of them voted for Ice Cube. She is safe. So it's either Spongy or David to leave the game. Both entered the game late. Let's show the votes.
Hey, where's the drum roll?
It was too annoying.
Then I'll make my own.
Spongy gets a cake. And David is eliminated.
Whoa, that was just...
Yes, it was our double laser powered teleportation device. Wait, we already played that, didn't we?
Well, yeah, you did. But let's play it again. You know, for good measure. Wow, Fiery. It's such a relief that David's eliminated.
Definitely.
He was weird.
I know. He looked a lot like a human. Whatever that is.
You know, Fiery, I think we should be friends.
You mean like form an alliance?
No, friends. Just friends.
Yeah, we can do that.
Let's do it.
I want to be friends too.
Yeah, get away.
Why are you excluding me? I just want to be friends.
Sorry, only good people get to be friends.
Oh, brr.
Anyway, I'm giving all of you immunity. However, it is possible for you to lose your immunity.
And how could that happen?
Oh, you could be hit by an asteroid or abducted by aliens, to name a few. Moving on. The 20th contest is to get into a spaceship. Go.
Hop, hop. Did it.
Oh no, I can't get in.
If you get hit by anything, you lose your immunity.
Yikes.
Hey, Fiery, let's go get Spongy.
Yeah. We're not getting him, Leafy. Time for super speed mode.
But don't you know how much energy that wastes? You have to be more eco-friendly. I mean...
Oh no, Leafy, no.
Huh? Why am I moving? Oh my gosh, what's that?
Falling into that black hole will also cause you to lose your immunity.
Oh no! Hey, where'd it go?
We had to sell it because of budget cuts.
Weird. Hey, where'd my spaceship go?
Same thing.
Oh, well, I still have mine.
And Bubble wins immunity.
Yo, okay.
Now let's recover the lost contestants. But as another reward, you get to choose another person to also have immunity.
Oh, okay. Give it to Leafy to prove to her that I'm a nice person after all. Okay.
have immunity, while Ice Cube, Rocky, Spongy, and Fiery are up for elimination. And guess what? The 15 eliminated contestants will get to choose who to eliminate, and they will have 1 month to decide. Do you hear that, voters? That means you will vote on something else?
What would this something else be?
You see, an eliminated contestant's going to rejoin the game. For the last time in BFDI ever. And the voters will decide who it is. Oh, be quiet, you gaspers. So anyway, voters, I really want you to vote. You can choose Flower.
You better vote me, or I'll threat you.
Blocky.
Come on, guys. I really deserve a third chance.
Woody. Pen.
Vote for me, and I will make improvements to the show on Battle for Dream Island.
Needing.
Don't bother me.
Needing. Teardrop. Golf ball.
I have a 6.66 repeating percent chance of joining the game, and if I join, I will have a 16.666 repeating percent chance of winning Dream Island. So from this moment, I have a 1.111 repeating percent chance of winning Dream Island.
20.
Viewers, all you people out there, I love you guys. You're all my friends. But just think for a moment. Does it really make sense that someone as stupid as Fiery is in the game, yet someone like me is not? Just think about that for a moment, and the answer will come to you. The person that you think should win.
Snowball.
I'm the only one who really deserves you now. The rest are all weak losers.
Match.
OMG. Vote for like me, and plus, I dye my hair like blue.
Eraser.
Hey, this rejoin button isn't working.
Pen.
If you vote for me, I will give you $500 million vigintillion.
Fat clumsy tennis ball.
You know, announcer, I wouldn't say that if I were you. I've got a magnet, and I can demagnetize you.
Yikes. Pencil.
Vote for me, yeah. Type my name, yeah, so I can rejoin the contest.
And David. Say something else? Cast a vote by commenting on this video.
I was wondering, how are we in space, yet able to talk, paddle, breathe, and not explode?
Budget cuts.